All right, moving on from talking Makiwa. Now, this particular picture be the trend online. And a picture, when you see them, you go to ask the questions. Or rather, you go answer the question, say, yes, love really exists. Some people, they talk, say, true love no exist. Make we see the picture of this young man. Not be saying a young man. Nah, man where God bless.
Okay.
Where they very
little
person. And then a very
bigger
tall
person.
woman. Yeah. Now, this picture, they actually trend online. Make we just see the picture. See the picture. Yeah, they trend online. And plenty people, when they see the picture, see comments, oh, this shows that true love really exists. Oh, this is beautiful. Now, ladies, this one I think.
You know what's happen? Apart from say people go talk, say true love really exists. I know say some people go come outside, come talk, say, this man, they lock you. Hey, you see person marry him. People go talk.
Or they go talk because say the woman don't old, she not see man to marry, she just decide to marry him.
Or people like me, because now it's in my head and I don't
Yes.
go even lie, then go just talk, say the man pockets feel long.
But
Yes.
another thing be that again. In pocket fit tall, pass as it take tall.
Yes. And one thing where people need to understand, I be say love comes in different colors.
And different costs. And at different prices, now love they come. You feel find love where be saying like maybe 5,000 naira. Me if you find love where be like 500 billion zillion dollars.
I know of your auntie where reach 42, she not see her husband, so she can't decide to just settle for one kind.
She buy her love 5K.
Yeah. The man they very blessed, and as the man they blessed, man they show her shaggy. Man be like monkey.
Oh, he don't do. He don't do.
So really, now actually nice picture. It is very nice for you to see and say, come, no matter the height, whether say you tall like giants or you short like
love conquers all things.
Love actually.
Love.
Can I say?
Yes.
Yeah. Likeness cover all things.
Now love. Likeness no agree you marry like that. Now love.
But the woman no smile.
The woman no smile. No, she feel be saying
maybe back the pain.
Kanye West they smile. You feel count how many times Kanye West smile. You know too they smile, but like you know the love they there.
Maybe they say only wife no smile.
Oh,
the new one.
Some people don't just get smiling face.
Exactly.
Possible. Like you wait to learn how to smile.
You know.
Exactly. If you be say some people now when they smile they ugly.
Yes,
it did.
I said believe say that so like
you no.
You get some kind picture you just you know some people now if you don't see the new postures.
No Skimpy, you don't see
because
no, you remind me of one thing now.
Ugly.
You get one man we married from my church that year, and they won't do a picture for the what's they call that thing? Program.
Photo book.
No program.
Okay,
they want
program.
Program.
Okay.
They want the picture church program. Then they come, they snap them for church. The man go do. They say smile. The man say no, just take her like this. They say smile. I say no, take her like this. Then they say brother smile. They say actually if I smile, the ugly pass as I do like this. And true. When we force the man to smile, and the man smile, only they say, okay, brother, don't worry, just stay as you are.
You know, say sometimes you go stand for front of mirror.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.